Yeah. Hey, bud. Hey, sweetie. Hi. How are you? Were you working today? Yeah. Hey, bud. Are you working hard today? Hi. Oh, who's that? What do you see there? What, buddy? Come on.
Hey, buddy. Hello, buddy. Yeah.
Hey. Hi. What? What are you doing, buddy? Huh? Yes. Well, hello. How we doing, huh? Yeah. That a boy. Huh? Go get him.
Let me fix it. Okay, let's go on up. Go on up there.
Oh, yeah, don't worry. I still
God, that is adorable.
Can I just take him down to NASCAR?
He's not fast enough.
We'll get him to the racing farm. I just want to take him out. Whoever took one of my poles, silver pole, black strap, feel free to bring it back.